Hi, welcome all of you. Today we are going to discuss the data structure array problems. So basically the array rotation where we are going to rotate the array elements by using there are many ways, but we are going to discuss only three things how we can rotate the elements of the array. So suppose for example I have one array like a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the array elements. Now our problem is to rotate these elements, these two. Suppose for example now we are going to discuss only rotation of the these two elements at the end of the array, and we need to move these remaining elements from the starting. So what will be the expected result? Like only first of all these three elements will be starting from the first 3, 4 and 5, and these two elements will be go at the end of the array. So these are the our expectation that we need to move that two elements of the array at the last position, and the remaining one that we need to move from the starting. So this is our problem. This is the array rotation. So there are the many ways, but today we are going to discuss there are the three things we are going to discuss. Suppose first of all we are going to discuss by using our temporary variable, temp variable. Second, we will use one by one mechanism, and the third one by using the swapping algorithm, or by using the reverse logic. Okay, so first of all we will discuss by using the temporary variable. So how can we will use the temporary variable? By temp variable. So I have one array 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now by using the temporary method, what we will do, we will just take these two elements whatever we wanted to move at the end, we will take those items of the array in the temporary variable. So I have taken the these two items inside the temporary variable. Okay, and the remaining one I will be store in our another array which is b. So what we will do, we will create one more array which is length of the 5, and in this array we will store this remaining three elements 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and the size of this array which is 5. So in this array what we will do, we will merge these two temporary array and our another array which is b, and we will add them and then assign to the array b. So like b plus t. So what we will do, we just do like 3, 4, 5 and then merge the temporary array 1 and 2. So this is the simplest way to rotate the array, the elements of the array by using the our temporary method. So here we need to just step out that first step, just take the variable inside the temporary array, create the array, which is the second step, and the third step we just need to append elements of the array, temporary array, at the last of our second array. So this is our result. Okay, now we are going to discuss our second method, which is 1 by 1. What is mean 1 by 1? Suppose I have elements a equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In this method what we will do, we will just rotate our elements one by one. How? We just take the first element of the array in the temporary variable or in the another variable like t. This is our a variable, not a array. So I just take the backup of array of I or array of 0, which is 1. So what we will do, we will just take the array of 0 index in the t variable, inside the t variable, and then starting the elements of the array from the second position. So what we will do, think, let we write down only like this: 3, 4, 5. So we just move one by one, like second should be at the 0th position, third should be at the first position, fourth should be at the second position, fifth item will be at the fourth position. Okay, so and at the end what we will do, instead of 5 we will just replace with the t. So let me more clarify: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what I do, what we will do, I just take the backup of array of 0, which is 1. Okay, I just replaced 2 at the first position, which is 2, second 3, fourth will be position third, fifth will be, sorry, 4, and at the fourth 5 will be there, and here it will be 5. So what we will do, we will just move this 5 instead of 1. So our result will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So this is our first iteration. Now the second iteration, we will move the second, we wanted to move the second at the end. So same thing. Now b, now 0 position, first time it will 1, now the second will be the 2. Now we will move 3 at the first position, 3, 4, 2 will be at the third position, fifth will be at the fourth position, and 1 will be at the fifth position, and 1 as it is. And now move this temporary a instead of 2. So 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. So this is our result. Our expected result will be like this. So this is 1 by 1. So only 2 arrays will be there. First it will take the these 2 items, and then it will rotate by 1 by 1. Okay, now we are going to discuss our third method, which is by using the swiping algorithm, or we can say reverse logic. So in this case, what we will do, I have array 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So in this swapping algorithm or in this swiping method, what we will do, first we will rotate these two elements from 2 1, instead of 1 2 it will be 2 1, and then rotate the remaining thing. So it will be like this, 2 and 1. So we just reverse the elements. Now 5 will be at the position third, instead of, sorry, 5 will be here, a third, and 4 there is no pair, so 4 will be as it is, like this only. Now this is our first step, this is our second step, and the third step will be just rotate whole array, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. So this is the swiping algorithm. So there are only three things like 1, 2 and 3. So hopefully you got all the methods. If you have any questions or doubt, you can write down in the comment section, or if you want to take the program by using the Java language, please comment in the comment section. If you have any query, please let me know. Thank you so much for the watching. Thanks a lot. Bye. Take care.